we just got something interesting in the post, and this is going to make the quality of my videos even better. But right now, we're not using it because it's not connected to the device that I'm recording on. The product that I got in the post is a wireless lavalier microphone. And I've been wanting this for a while. What I've been wanting to do is some outside content, and I've always had the problem of not having great sound when I'm outside. You can always hear wind hustling, people talking and whatnot, and this might actually save it. But we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's inside. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This company is not sponsoring me. However, I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. So if you would like to buy this product, please click on that link. It will help me. I'll get a little small percentage of it. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. So inside the box, let's open it up. We get, there's so many things. We have the guide. Oh, we have the guide. Let me just see. Okay, it's in Chinese from the look of it, and German. So that's not going to be much use to us. But I think this is a very straightforward installation, and we'll look at it together. We also have some fluffy muffs for the microphone itself. We also get a charging cable. The usual, this is a very old cable. It's not the USB Type-C, but this will do. And we have the receiver and two microphones available. Now the installation of these things is very simple. All we need to do is connect the receiver, which is a USB Type-C, to the device that I'm going to be using right now. And this, I'm hoping, is already charged, but we just hold it on, and then we have the flashing green and red light. This is the audio before connecting the device, and this is the audio after the device. I hope you can see it. It's no longer flashing green, which means that this mic is connected to that receiver on this device. Now, it did give me a prompt saying a wireless microphone was connected, and that you'd have to go into your settings to sort of transition from the microphone on the phone to this microphone, which is a simple thing. You just have to go into your settings, whatever device you're on, you just go into your settings and you click the Bluetooth microphone instead of your phone's microphone. Now, I don't know how this sounds. I'm going to have to watch this back. But I hope that this is a very massive increase of quality when it comes to audio capturing. And this is going to be very, very, very important for future videos coming up on this channel. And it's got a lovely little hook behind it, so you can attach it to your shirt, your hat, if you'd like. You know, if you're wearing a baseball cap, you can just stick it on there and then, you know, have it recording you from there. You know, I've got to look at this beard. It's going to be hiding under there. You know, again, stopping the video from capturing my awesome voice. I'm just kidding. Anyway, that's connected, but I'd like to do one more test. I would like to see how far I can walk away from the device and not lose connection. So let's transition outside. We're going to see how far I can go until this microphone cuts off. I hope you can still hear me. Hopefully you can still hear me by now, or I'll be just looking so stupid and dumb at the moment. I'm in the middle of my communal garden at the moment, so all of the neighbors will be looking at me walking back like this, and I'm hoping you can still hear me. We're going to try and get to the other end. Oh, I just stepped on flowers. Not bad. Hopefully you can still hear me. I think I hear someone behind me, but it's okay. And we've reached the other end. I don't know if that police siren got picked up by the microphone. And it's a bit windy. It's a bit windy, sunny. So hopefully that was a good test. I was looking at that playback and I just can't believe how far I walked back. This product is amazing. I don't know about the fluffy one. I feel like I prefer this one over the fluff. I don't know why I'm calling it fluffy. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the whole name of this, the different things for the microphone. But like I said, if you'd like one of your own wireless lavalier microphone, please click on the link in the description below. That will take you to the product, the same product on Amazon using my affiliate link. I'm not getting sponsored for this video, all right? But if there are companies who'd like to sponsor me for video, or like to send some product out for some product review, don't hesitate. My business email is down below. Please like, comment what you think of this, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.